If you need to point your domain to a website, connect email, verify a service, or set up a redirect, then learning how to set up host records in Namecheap is one of the most useful things you can do. In this video, I'll show you the full process step by step so you can add the right DNS record without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Namecheap account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of the dashboard and click Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are stored, so it's the first place you need to go. Next, find the domain you want to edit and click Manage. This will open the settings for that specific domain, which is where you can control everything related to its DNS. After that, click the Advanced DNS tab. This is the section where Namecheap keeps the host records, and it's the area you'll use to make changes for your website, email, or verification setup. Now scroll down until you see the host records section. This is the part of the page where all existing DNS entries are listed. If you already have records there, you can review them before making any changes. To add a new one, click Add New Record. A new row will appear, and this is where you'll choose the type of record you want to create. Namecheap gives you several options depending on what you're trying to do. If you're pointing your domain to a server, you'll usually use an A record. If you're linking one name to another domain or subdomain, you may need a CNAME record. If you're setting up email, you might need MX records. If you're verifying ownership or adding security details, TXT records are often used. And if you want to send visitors to another web address, you can use a URL redirect record. Once you choose the record type, enter the host and value exactly as they were provided by your hosting company, email provider, or service provider. The host is usually the part of the domain or subdomain you want to connect, and the value is the destination, IP address, or verification text you need to add. Be careful here, because even a small typo can cause the record to fail. If your provider gave you a TTL setting, enter that as required. If not, you can usually leave it on automatic, which is the safest option for most users. After you've checked everything, click Save All Changes. That's the final step, and it will apply your new host record to your domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully update across the internet, so don't worry if you don't see the result instantly. It can sometimes work right away, but in many cases, it may take a little while to propagate. So to quickly recap, you sign into Namecheap, open your domain from Domain List, go to Advanced DNS, find host records, add a new record, choose the correct type, enter the host and value, set the TTL if needed, and then save everything. And that's how to set up host records in Namecheap. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.